My small hanging staghorn fern basket fell to the ground due to excessive weight from the rain. My large hanging staghorn fern basket also dropped to the ground for the same reason. The hook holding the basket straightened out and caused the drop. This is what the hook looked like before. There is a hook that went through the chain that was holding up the large staghorn fern basket. This is what the hook looked like when it straightened out and caused the basket to fall. The other hook shows what it's supposed to look like. I was able to install 2 1/4-inch steel cables and supporting hardware with the help of the engine hoist to bring the staghorn fern back up into hanging position.